Good morning, everyone. My name is Sekhar Reddy, Senior IIT JEE Unit Faculty. So, today we are going to discuss about equation of trajectory in terms of range and coordinate. So, yesterday already followed the yesterday video or previous video. We have followed the already equation of trajectory and the different conditions, range, maximum height, and the time of flight, time of passing, time of descent. So here, for this understanding purpose, over yesterday video not is absent, so that if the video is observed after that, distance clearly understand you. So now equation of trajectory in terms of range and coordinate. So already we know that from previous video, equation of trajectory is y is equal tan theta x tan theta x minus g by 2u square cos square theta into x square. From this equation, we'll take x tan theta common, 1 minus g by 2u square cos square theta. There x is common, x square is there, remaining only x. Tan theta common means here remain tan x by tan theta. Okay, so from this equation, x tan theta common, inside the bracket only remaining here 1 g by 2u square cos square theta. So x square by tan theta. So if you are transfer inside, say tan theta x. So this is x square by tan theta cancel. Meaning you get the same value. Y is equal to x tan theta 1 minus. So this value we have to write sin by cos. Sin here, cos we have to write in numerator. G by 2u square cos square theta x by this value we have to write sin theta by cos theta. So in numerator cos theta, in denominator square get cancelled. That means remaining x tan theta 1 minus g by u square 2 sin theta cos theta into x. X tan theta into 1 minus g by u square. This is we have to write 2 sin theta cos theta value. Already we know that sin to theta mathematical form. Sin to theta into x. So therefore y is equal x tan theta 1 minus x by r. Since r is equal u square sin 2 theta by g. Sin 2 theta by g. So here g by u sin square theta. G by this is reverse. So here r is also reverse. Here r will range. In this formula r is equal. So this formula will be most important for solving the problems for IIT, JEE level and NEET level. Y is equal to x tan theta of 1 minus x by r. 1 minus x by r. So same equation in terms of same equation in terms of cos theta. Y is equal to x cot theta 1 minus x by r. So this condition is applicable if the projectile projected upward direction makes an angle theta with y axis, vertical direction. So this angle 90 minus theta. So when using this concept, so final projector equation will get this one. Under that mean here in this direction ux is equal u sin theta, in this direction uy is equal u cos theta. What does that mean? So u cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta sin theta will get. So projector equations, horizontal distance u sin theta into t. Next vertical distance y is equal u cos theta t minus of u cos theta this one. After simplification, we will get this value. Okay. So in terms of tan theta range, in terms of cot theta range. So now another to find maximum height. H means maximum height, horizontal range, time of flight, and angle of projection. Angle of projection for a given trajectory equation. Equation y is equal to ax minus bx square. This is shows the projector equation. This is shows the parabolic equation. The parabolic equation also. So projector equation, like this is given projector equation. Y is equal to ax minus bx plus bx square. Here, what is asking? H mean maximum height or horizontal range, time of flight, and at the same time, angle of projection. Angle of projection. Our solution. So this equation comparison with y is equal to ax minus bx square. This is comparison with y is equal to tan theta into x. B value we know that already. G by 2u square cos square theta into x square. into x square. Like this is given trajectory equation. After derivation, we get the trajectory equation tan theta x minus g by 2a square cos square theta x square. Now comparison x coefficients and x square coefficients. Here x coefficient in this formula tan theta is equal to a, g by 2a square cos square theta is equal to b. Tan theta is equal to a. Let be equation 1. G by 2u square cos square theta is equal to b. Equation 2. Here asking first bit. What is asking? Range. Here first bit. Maximum height. H is equal to question mark. So in previous video, we know that maximum height in case of projectile motion h is equal u square sin square theta by u square sin square theta by 2g. U square sin square theta by 2g. Now from equation 2, g is equal to u square cos square theta into b. So here g value substituting in this equation, therefore h is equal u square sin square theta by 2 into g value how much? 2u square cos square theta into b. Okay, from this equation, g value substituting here. So how much? So 2u square cos square theta into b. So that means here u square get cancelled. Sin square by cos square. Actually, sin theta by cos theta how much? Tan theta. So that means here tan theta square means tan square theta by 2 into 4 into b. In equation 1, tan theta value how much here? So therefore h is equal a square by 4b. This is maximum height. This is maximum height for given trajectory equation y is equal to x minus bx square. Next, the second one. Horizontal range. R is equal to how much? Second one, horizontal range. So already from previous video we know that horizontal range. We know that horizontal range R is equal to how much? U square sin 2 theta by g. U square sin 2 theta by g. So this value we have to write. R is equal to u square sin 2 theta by 2 sin theta cos theta by g. Cos theta by g. So this value we have to generally we know that this formula range is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. So after simplification R is equal to u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g. So from this equation, from equation to g value how much? From equation to g value substitute in above equation. R is equal to u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g value how much? G value 2u square. 2u square cos square theta into b. So u square get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. In numerator cos theta, denominator cos square theta. This cos theta here square cancel or is equal. Remaining how much? Sin by cos. Sin by cos means tan theta. Remaining how much b? So therefore r is equal a by b. R is equal a by b. R is equal to a by b. For example, if it is given instead of this one, y is equal 4x minus 3x square. In this condition, h is equal to how much? H is equal a square by 4b. A square, like this is a, this is b. A square 4 into 4 16. So 4 into 3. That means 16 by 12. R is equal to how much? A by b. A means 4 by 3. This is range. So remaining time of flight. Time of flight. Now we'll find the time of flight. Time of flight. T is equal to how much? So this question, time of flight T is equal to how much? So first bit completed, second one completed, third one, time of flight how much? By given equation. Given project equation how much? Ax square, ax minus bx. So generally we know the time of flight is equal, T is equal to u sin theta by g. So this equation, numerator and denominator multiply with cos theta. Okay, so numerator multiplied by cos theta, denominator multiplied by cos theta. Cos gets cancelled, we get the same value. T is equal to sin by cos, tan theta into u remaining u cos theta by g, u cos theta by g. From equation 2, u square cos square theta is equal, u square cos square theta is equal g by 2, g by 2b, u cos theta is equal under root of g by 2b. Now substituting u cos theta value here, T is equal to into tan theta value how much? From this equation of tan theta value a by g, u cos theta value g by under root of g by b. So 2a by g transfer inside the root. This is 4a square by g square into g by 2b. In g get square get cancelled. So this is transfer inside the root. 2 converted 4a square g square. In numerator already g is there, g and square get cancelled. 2 cancel. So that means therefore t is equal under root of 2a square by bc. 2a square by bc. This is time of flight. For given equation, like if it is given 4x minus 3x square, your time of flight is equal to how much? Under root of 2 into a value 4, 16 by b, b how much 3, g value becomes 10. So that means t is equal to under root of 32 by 30. So this is time of flight. So number of times repeated and J mains level, need table and MZ level. So most important topic. So finally you should remember. So like this is given trajectory equation y is equal to ax minus bx squared. So for this equation, maximum height is equal to how much? A square by 4b. Next range a by b. Next time of flight under root of 2a square by bg. This is shortcut method for solving the problems. Now another most important question solving J mains and advanced level. A particle is projected. A particle is projected with velocity, with a velocity u, making an angle theta with horizontal as shown in figure. As shown in figure. Then angle theta. So it is projected according to given condition. A particle is projected with a velocity u, making an angle theta with horizontal as shown in figure. Then so answers is given. First one, tan theta is equal cos alpha plus cos beta. Second one, cot theta is equal cos alpha plus cos alpha plus sin alpha. Third one, sin theta is equal sin alpha plus sin beta. Fourth one, tan theta is equal tan alpha plus tan beta. So this is given figure, like point of projection, highest point. So this is given figure. So your angle means this theta means after that given angle alpha and theta. So this is a given figure. Okay, this is the given figure. So this is will redraw the diagram. For its direction. Suppose up to will consider up to here. Point of projection to particle to reach the ground. That is known as horizontal projection. If it is particle or project at this point, the displacement horizontal displacement let be x. So only above part is given. This is now consider point of projection to particle to reach the ground, or so particle at any position. The distance horizontal distance is equal to x. So here remaining point, this point to this point or minus x. Or minus x. So here projector to reach the point here. This is known as highest point. Highest point will consider y. Highest point will consider y. In figure, from figure, in triangle, so let me this point C, triangle AOC, AOC. So we know that here all angle alpha, so horizontal, that means adjacent, opposite. So the relation opposite by adjacent gives the tan AOC. Tan alpha is equal to y by x. Let the equation 1. Next in triangle BAC or ABC. ABC here angle is there beta. So here beta opposite side y, adjacent side r minus x. Tan beta is equal to y by r minus x. Equation 2. Now equation 1 plus 2 on both sides. So left side means tan alpha is tan beta. Right side is equal to y by x plus y by r minus x. Here what is the common? Y common 1 by x plus 1 by r minus x. R minus x. Therefore, tan alpha is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta is equal to y inside the bracket LCM x of r minus x. X of r minus x. So this is dividing by x, x's get cancelled, remaining r minus x plus, so r minus x it cancel, remaining plus x. So minus x plus x cancel. Tan alpha plus tan beta is equal to y by x r by r minus x. tan alpha plus tan beta is equal to how much? Y by x of r by r minus x. We know that trajectory equation y is equal to x tan beta of 1 minus x by r. 1 minus x by r. So here x transfer here, that means y by x. Tan beta. Y by x tan beta LCM r minus x by r minus x by r. So now tan beta is equal from this equation. So tan beta is equal to y by x. So this is transfer this side r by r minus x. Equation 4. So equation 3 left side tan alpha plus tan beta is equal to right side y by x of r by r minus x. Fourth equation left side tan theta, right side y by x of r by r minus x. So right side both are same. That means now equation 4 equal equation 3. Therefore, tan theta is equal tan alpha plus tan beta. So here which one calculation? Fourth one calculation. So this is most important for JEE level question. Okay, thank you.